Hello, you're in Emin's Action. Today, I am preparing for my hair transplant surgery. I decided having a hair transplant surgery because this is my biggest insecurities. I noticed that my face is not fit on my age because of my hairline. Because of my friend's recommendation, I messaged Strand Hair Restorations and Skin Clinic. The first time that I entered to their clinic, I feel that I am welcome because of their staffs. Also to Doc Raul, I am scared that moment because I know that the surgery will start any moment. Because of their advice, I feel that I am safe to their hand. I can't wait for the result and outcome of the surgery. That time I saw my friend Sir Toots and Sir Yulo. Now, the surgery starts. Nagunat-unat muna ako dahil nangangawit na ako. Pero nakita ko ang kaibigan kong si Earl at si Kuya Mark. Dahil gusto nila makita ang resulta ng hair transplant surgery ko. Kaya nung natapos na, sobrang saya ko. Dahil gustong gusto ko yung naging resulta nito. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa Strand Hair Restoration and Skin Clinic dahil na-achieve ko yung pinapangarap kong hairline. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!